Hi, I'm Jonathan Mitchell with the award-winning Richmond Ford. We as a family of dealers are known for having some of the most exclusive and exciting vehicles that you can get behind the wheel of. And in today's video, we are taking a look at two rare vehicles with beefed up performance and capability. This is the Hennessey Venom 775 Ford F-150 and the Hennessey Velociraptor 700 Ford F-250. These two trucks come from a legendary performance shop down in Texas known as Hennessey Performance that is known worldwide for increasing the capability and performance of specialty vehicles to shatter records and demolish the competition. So, without further ado, let's take a look and see what Hennessey has done to beef up these two legendary trucks. Starting with the F-150, we have a fully loaded trimmer with a 5-liter V8 under the hood in antimatter blue. The trimmer is the most off-road factory Ford trim that doesn't carry the Raptor name badge. For 2023, Ford has made the Coyote V8 the standard engine in the trimmer, which Hennessey took full advantage of. The 775 in the name of this truck is for the 775 horsepower this beast is producing, made only possible by that engine under the hood. This is more horsepower and torque than the new Ford Raptor R, more than a TRX, and this shows when you line them up on a track. 685 pound-feet of torque propels this truck from 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. The 3-liter twin-screw supercharger and new intercooler system, plus upgrades to the air filtration, throttle body, and engine management systems all work in conjunction to produce these mind-blowing numbers. It sounds good too through its stainless steel catback exhaust. Let's take a listen. The power is clearly not the only thing to be upgraded. This truck features a 6-inch BDS lift kit with Fox piggyback reservoir off-road suspension and 35-inch Nitto Ridge Grappler tires made into 20-inch unique Hennessey 10-spoke wheels. Behind these wheels, ladies and gentlemen, are real Brembo brakes with cross-drilled rotors, not just caliper covers like some of the other aftermarket performance options. Smooth fender flares add to the rugged exterior, and once inside, we see the upgrades to the interior here with custom Hennessey embroidered logos on the headrest. The unique serial plate lets you know that this is a limited edition truck, one of only 250 for 2023. As we take one last look, we notice the exterior badging as well that ever so slightly hints that this is 775 horsepower on board. All of these upgrades are warranted through Hennessey with a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, giving you confidence that your truck is going to be that much more trustworthy than if you tried to piecemeal these kind of modifications to a stock truck that will for sure void your factory warranty. We here at Richmond Ford have our own customs department, and we've gone ahead and painted this Brembo brake caliper to match the trimmer's active orange accents, just for that little extra special touch. Moving to the big brother to the F-150, the Hennessey Velociraptor 700 Ford F-250 does have some differences in its standard form Ford equipment and Hennessey upgrades. This agate black truck started its life as a Lariat Ultimate package with a 7.3-liter Godzilla V8. Hennessey paired this mammoth engine with a high-flow supercharger system paired with high-flow air induction and air-to-air intercooler upgrade to produce 700 horsepower and an amazing 722 pound-feet of torque. This truck is not only powerful enough to pull a lot of weight, it's also extremely quick for a Super Duty. The sounds this thing puts out is music to the V8 lover's ears through its stainless steel catback exhaust system. Let's have a listen. Now, all of these modifications have the Hennessey calibration upgrade, so everything works as a stock Ford F-250. That's why it also comes with a 3-year, 36,000-mile limited warranty. This also includes those off-road pieces that make this truck just that much more intimidating. A 6-inch BDS lift kit with Fox Racing shocks makes plenty of room for these Toyo Open Country 37 by 12.5 tires. They are mated to 20-inch method wheels, and this truck features front and rear off-road bumpers with Velociraptor cut into them to let everybody know that you mean business. It also comes equipped with 4 black oak LED pods on either side of the front here. Allowing you to climb into this monstrous truck are AMP Research power deployable running boards. Once inside, you'll find Hennessey embroidered on the headrest and the creature comforts that come along with the Lariat Ultimate package. This truck would not be complete without the Hennessey Velociraptor 700 badging, proudly displaying that high horsepower number for all to see. As one of the very few places that you can directly buy a Hennessey performance vehicle, we would be happy to get you behind the wheel of either one of these 2 rare and unique trucks. So reach out to us to schedule a test drive or to arrange delivery after sale and take advantage of our 5-star customer service, because we are driven by you. Please take a moment to leave us a like and subscribe to our channel and let us know what you think of these 2 Hennessey performance vehicles down in the comments. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.